In my last recipe, I shared these immunity cubes with you, and I mentioned that the leftover pulp wouldn't go to waste. Today, I'm using that same leftover pulp to make an easy yet powerful immunity booster soup. So without wasting anything, let's get started. First, we take 1 red bell pepper. It adds a natural sweetness to the soup and gives it a beautiful color. When lightly roasted or cooked, the flavor becomes deeper and richer. So the soup never tastes bland. It's also light on the stomach and doesn't feel heavy to digest. Next, we add 1 jalapeno. It gives the soup a gentle kick and balances the sweetness of the vegetables. You can adjust the quantity based on how spicy you like it. Next, we add 1 small onion. It adds mild sweetness and brings everything together. Next, we add garlic cloves. Now, add a little oil to bring all the flavors together. Add salt and curry powder. This is what brings warmth and depth to the soup. Just a little is enough to balance all the flavors. Transfer the roasted vegetables into a blender. For protein, I'm adding tofu here. So this soup is not just comforting, but also filling. The star ingredient here is our leftover pulp. This is what makes the soup nutritious and waste-free. Add 1 cup of vegetable broth, a little more salt, and blend everything until smooth and creamy. I'm now pouring the soup into a bowl, and you can see how creamy and rich it looks. Garnish with a little heavy cream and drizzle some chili oil on top. Chili oil instantly enhances the flavor of the soup. This is our immunity booster soup, made completely from leftover pulp, with 0 waste. We can create something so healthy and delicious. For more easy and wholesome recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and follow the channel.